not a bad day at all. As a
No.
matter of fact, today is the warmest day so far this May.
Okay.
Temperatures have jumped, and they have jumped incredibly again from numbers that were in the 30s this morning back into the 70s this afternoon. 76 degrees and nothing but sunshine here at UIndy at this hour, as well as in Westfield. But off to the north and west, you can start to see some of these high clouds that are beginning to arrive on the scene. This is the view from Daniels Vineyard. Early this morning, the temperatures were quite cool, but the winds shifted again out of the south and we're beginning to warm up. These high and mid-level clouds are eventually going to give way to a thick overcast and some rain chances. That's not going to arrive here until perhaps in Indianapolis, maybe around midnight. Northwest central Indiana up towards Lafayette, closer to 9 or 10 p.m. Lafayette went down to 37 degrees this morning. There were a bunch of places early this morning in the 30s again. Here we are just about a week and a half into the month of May, and there have been at least 5 nights where many locations have been in the 30s. It's been a cool month. It's dry air right now, 38% relative humidity. That means it's heating up. Add that southwest breeze, and the temperatures compared to the same time yesterday are running anywhere from 3 to as much as 10 degrees warmer. We've got a 79 on the board in Terre Haute. We've got 77 in Lafayette. Southwest wind and 76 in Indianapolis, and still plenty of time to hang on to the warm weather. But there's the front that's moving in from the north and west, and that cold front is going to be passing. The winds will be shifting late tonight, early tomorrow morning. It'll be a blustery and cooler day tomorrow. We are not out of this cooler than normal weather pattern just yet. We will reinforce the cool weather again behind the front that passes late tonight as the jet stream begins to dig into the eastern half of the nation. This has been ongoing now for over 2 weeks. So the month of May right now is running as much as 7 degrees per day below average, and it will continue to run cooler than average for the rest of the week as well. As a matter of fact, maybe even early Thursday morning, there could be some patchy frost around again. However, the jet stream will begin to flatten out, and that's what we are expecting to end the week and entering the weekend. So that means that there will be a return to some rain chances after these bursts or downpours are possible later tonight. Pause this closer to midnight. We've got scattered downpours, maybe a rumble or two of thunder. This is not long-lived. It's gone by the time we get to daybreak on Wednesday, but we'll be in the cyclone and the circulation behind the system, which will produce afternoon clouds, blustery conditions, maybe a sprinkle or two. Temperatures are going to resume this cooler than normal weather pattern, and into early Thursday morning, we're once again going to find these temperatures slipping back into the 30s with the prospects of maybe a little frost around. The big break in this pattern begins, or at least starts to evolve, later this week, but more likely this weekend. So plan on some downpours arriving here around midnight. Peak rainfall coverage should be around 70% of the area before 2 a.m. Seasonal low at 54, but steady temperatures in the mid-60s, partly sunny, blustery, cooler. High temperatures only in the mid-60s for the rest of the work week. Showers are back Friday, some thunder showers in the mix Saturday. Qualification weekend will be warm. Temperatures are going to turn milder starting this weekend and well into next week.